ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh man. Oh man. How's it going, everyone? Welcome, welcome. Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well. I'm still I got a new mic arm. Can you tell? There's no big thing here. Or maybe it was always hidden for you guys. I don't pay attention enough. Hello, we got welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. I got a new mic arm. I also got my freaking new cap for my water bottle. Or mystery liquid bottle, I should say. And it's not as nice as the old one, but it is more durable. So it's like, plus minus. Hey, Stormworm, welcome in. You forgot, I forgot who you were in the background. I thought a picture I was looking at said, oh man. I was like, you're right. Some money LTT again? Oh, no. This was because... My old cap was broken. It broke. So it's either I don't use the bottle again, or I buy the cap. The cap. This is the same thing that I ordered like half a week ago, or whenever it was. It wasn't because I was like, yeah, let me go spend money again. It was just because like, okay, well, either I use this bottle, or with a new cap, or I don't use the bottle again. Yes, LTT is Lion's Tech Tips. Yes. I ordered the cap, and I went over this. So I ordered the cap. I was gonna order just the cap, and it was a $5 cap. It's fine. This is Canadian dollars. Or maybe it was no, it was US dollars. I don't remember. One of the two. And the shipping was 10. So I'm like, I'm not paying double shipping for something. So I bought also the magnetic arches. Like a pack of them. Just so I don't spend, because shipping was flat. Just so I don't feel as bad about just basically paying for shipping and getting a little bit extra. You spend money on LTT, you deserve your suffering? What do you mean? What's wrong with that? You know what I need to do? Well, I need to install this thing. I've had this for a while now, and I have not installed it. I don't know if you guys can tell what it is. You can probably see at this angle. I need to install this underneath my desk. This is just a very long industrial outlet. But I just need to screw it in and everything. Because what I have is worse than this. What I have is smaller ones that are daisy chained, which is like 2 or 3 of them, which is not good. So, yeah. You're an electrician now? I mean, look. It's better than what I got. Well, yeah, that's where I am. I released a short today. The first one in forever. Like, as always, shorts I release never do any good. But, you know, it's released. It's about making games, it's making small games from, like, the thing that I just talked about a couple of weeks ago. And I also want to do a little video on... or, like, quickly cut up the chat yesterday about 5.5. And can put that up. Hey, Jesus Freak, welcome in. Every server rack uses something like that in the data center you've worked at in the past. And they do manage credit card purchasing. What? So you're saying it's reliable? You mean you did a 2-year course on electric installation, industrial and residential? Oh, wow. That's cool. But yeah, what I have is far worse. I have like 3 power outlets daisy chained because I couldn't reach far enough and I needed more outlets. So I bought like the biggest one I could. So at least I just have 1. You can make a battery from aluminum foil, copper wire, and dirt. Why do you need the dirt? I can kind of see the first in aluminum foil and copper wire being useful, but why the dirt? And what kind of dirt? There's a lot of different types of dirt around the world, made of different things. So what kind of dirt? From where? Do you need special dirt? But yeah, that's my little update. Other than that, I tried signing up for Fab. You know, the thing that's replacing the Unreal Marketplace. I submitted my application to become a seller there because I want to put up my Light Manager on there and see how that goes. You had a 2-year course for electrician and a 2-year course as a mechanical technician from 15 to 17 and 17 to 90. Impressive. Very impressive. Mechatronic. I think I said a mecha-electric. Or mechanical, yeah. Mechatronic. I mean, look. A mechanical technischen and a mechatronic technician, both are just some kind of something to do with electricity, probably. And that's as far as I know. You know, it's like telling your parents you do 3D and trying to explain to them video games and 3D industry and all that, and they have no idea what you're talking about. It's like that, you know. So you make things move? No, I don't animate. So you make the what do you do? They try to explain it and it doesn't work, right? Mechanical only work with metal parts. What if you replace them with metal parts? Can you? Mechatronic is metal, electronics, and programming. Just programming? Yeah. Okay. That's why I'm not an electrician. That's why I'm not an electrician, because it's programming. Just always programming. It always comes back to programming. Oh, dear God. I can't. Also, by the way, I can't tell very well. Am I in focus? I'm not. I'm like a little blurry, aren't I? Like the shirt is more in focus than my face. Wrong way. Yeah, that's better. And I'm so sorry for... Jesus Christ. Look away. Just look away. I know, your eyes. It's terrible. It's terrible. Mechanical is basically just machining metal parts. Mechatronic is like robotics. Well, so when I was a kid, I actually wanted to do robotics. I'll be honest. Like, I think I've told the story at one point. I don't remember how, like, probably a long time ago. When I was, like, in second grade, my mom bought me... Yeah, this was, like, mid-second grade. My mom bought me an encyclopedia book. One of those books that has a little bit of everything, but I was in second grade. I don't know any better. So, I opened that book, and I see a paragraph... It's a single paragraph showing this cool picture of a robotic arm. And I think, because I'm in second grade, that this has all the information to make robotics. Like, to make like a robotic arm and learn how to do that. In a paragraph, of course. And later on, when I read it, I was very disappointed that it didn't have this information. But for a long time, I want to do robotics. Or for a while, I wanted to do robotics. I don't know about a long time, but for a while, I wanted to do robotics. Not programming robotics, but like, you know, machining gears and stuff. Steampunk. Stuff like that. Paul McCorder is a guy. This guy is awesome if you're still interested. Oh, and doing... no, not these days. I got no time. I got no time for that. It'd be nice, like, to like learn that kind of stuff, but I got no time. When you were a kid, you wanted to be an inventor. You used to draw things and disassemble toys and anything that had batteries. You can still do that now. It's just more expensive because you buy the toys. Unless you buy them, dismantle them, and reassemble them, and then return them. So you thought if there's microchips, there must be mega chips. Turn out they're potato chips. Yep. Yeah, that sounds about right. So, you buy electronics from China and never use it in anything. Well, time to start putting them together. Make your own robots. So yesterday we got this working, right, with this drag and all that good stuff, right? This is working. So what we want to do now is make it so when I drag here, it pops up, and then it adds it in here, right? So it comes here and then it appears. That's step one. So let's do step one. Again, if you missed it, this is for the deck builder part of the game, which when we started the game was fixed out. Yes, it's working. It's working now. Who do you take me for? Someone who's not gonna get it fixed yet. We got it figured out right at the end of yesterday's stream. Thank goodness. It's really weird though. The solution was basically for the card. I had to make every single one of these be set to not hit testable, self and children, but they're all not hit testable, every single one of them. But for some reason, if the main one was self and children, it doesn't work, but self only works, which doesn't make sense. Because they're all not hit testable, manually set, and it works. But if I do just the top one, self and children, which is effectively the same thing, it doesn't. Don't know why. Whatever, we got it working. So now, here we have this hello, the prince, right? So when I drag it over, we got a hello. So it is working. So now we can do things. You have an Elgato 3D resin printer. You haven't made anything in over a year. Yeah, so I was originally thinking of getting a 3D printer many years ago. Well, I don't know, many. Yeah, it was like, it's been a few years. And I decided I will not buy it unless I can write down 10 things that I want to print with it. 10 unique things. Like if I don't, you can't say like 10 different kinds of toys. No, okay, that's toys. That's one. I could not come up with even 5. There's a 3D printer, not even a resin, but like just a regular 3D printer. I came up with 5 things that I wanted to print. I never bought the printer. I was like, I can't think of any, like, what do I want to do with it? Like, I'll get it. Like, and then what? You do some nice, I could have, but I wasn't playing D&D with anybody in person. I still have never played D&D with people in person. Right? Otherwise, I would definitely have used it and probably done D&D stuff with it. Absolutely. But yeah, if you don't play with people, then I mean, yeah. Wait. How do you cast to... Let me open my old project real quick. I want to see how the drop was set up. You want your friend to buy a resin one for him? He likes painting small things. I don't know what it's called. I mean, yeah. Also, like, I was looking, like, when you go 3D printing, like, a more large scale, you also want to get, like, all this other stuff with it. Then you have to, like, sand it. It's like, it's a whole thing. You got to make environments for your game that you released, but haven't done that yet. You got a 3D printer to make environments from your game? I mean, that sounds awesome. And sounds like a lot of work. Like, one really cool thing that I've seen people use 3D printing for is to make cosplays. They look awesome. Especially like the people that go like full like mechanical, put lights in there and like all this stuff. Freaking awesome. This is the one. Nope. Framey. Right, there it is. So on drop. Wait. Oh, I need to get payload first. Then I can cast 2. That's why I wasn't able to cast. Yeah. Get payload. Then cast 2. Would be card. So if it's a success, then we print. Wrong one. Hey, prints. Cool. You can do all that printing electronics, but I don't know any cosplayer. You can become a cosplayer. I mean, you don't know any cosplayer. You're not yourself. Make one for yourself. And then you put it on Instagram, and you get 100,000 followers, and then you realize you're a big shot now, and then you make money, make it your full-time career, and then you end up buying a rocket into space. You hate yourself, but not that much? I mean, good to that part, but... Why do you need to hate yourself for that? Ooh. I need to... Hold on. Yeah, this is not quite what I wanted. Card info. This, I think, is what I wanted. Hey, Mr. Proschetti, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Hey, look at that. It works. Couple of things that I want to change though. I don't like the fact that we go like it spazzes out there. So this is generate. I want, instead of generate, I want to add deck card. So here I don't want to clear children. Ooh. That means this cannot be local. Does it? Or hold on. If I did get child, get children count. So if I did this, then set it. -1. Then we don't want for each. We get the last... We get the last index. And that's the card info. We don't need that. Should that be add unique instead of add? No. So you're on the right track where we don't want to add the same card multiple times, potentially. But I'm going to make it so you cannot drag the card into the slot anyway. So I shouldn't need to do add unique. And I'd rather have it be regular add. So if I'm somehow able to drag a multiple, I see that we're still dragging multiple. So in the end, yeah, it'll be fine because we will never have a duplicate of a card, or should never have a duplicate of the card. So A, B. Yeah. So now if I did this, Why is it spaz like that? Hold on. Did I not? I didn't. On construct, yeah. No, on drop. Oh, I'm still doing generate. Whoops. Add Deckard. Oh. Was I wrong about the -1? A, B, yeah. I was wrong about the -1. Why does it do that? Why is it... It's... Is it because it's centered? Is that why? If I have it left aligned? Top left aligned? Also, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to have less of them in a row. Actually, no. The problem is... Right now, if I put another one in, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it scales them in. 8 scales them, then it doesn't scale them. So I don't want the scale box, I think. Yeah, that's the problem. That was the problem. Do we want it now starting in the center? So get rid of that here. Do we do center now? And actually, what I actually should have is I should have these slots populated already. We'll need to do that. So, okay. We need to set up basically different states for our, and different situations for our cards. So right now we have a W card. We have just if it's a deck builder, yes or no. This is gonna have a different states because it should be a deck builder, then it should be like selected deck builder, not selected, and then depending on what it is, it can be dragged or cannot be dragged, etc. And we also need to change the color of it. Let's do let's do a enum. Card type or card deck card mode, not type, I guess. So this is going to be a we need a selection type. Then we want just a deck available. Deck unavailable. Because once we drag it out, we want to set it to be unavailable. So it cannot be dragged again. Which effectively will make it so it's like a darker color, you know, something where it's like, okay, we don't have that version anymore. Okay. Let's do that. And then here. Card mode. Deck card mode. Oh, pausing for ads. It didn't say anything. Oh, hold on. I might not have configured it properly. Oh no, it should. No, it should still. I didn't change that. Why?
Parsi, hold your horse crap.
Here, pausing for ads.
So when I did the second test just now, I'm not restarting the ads. It's just I did the thing. Thank you for the test. Also, I need to change that redeem real quick. I thought I changed it. Unless you got really lucky. Let me just check something. Did you get really lucky? No. Oh, did I do the wrong one? Hold on. Oh, I did the wrong one. Hold on. So, lucky me never had. No. So, I've made. I thought I did it on this last one, but now I did it, I think, properly. Which is whenever someone does the text to speech now, it will be a completely random voice every time. So you can have lots of variation now on that. Which, you know, could be good, it could be bad. Oh no. It'll be fine. That Bob Sponge is cursed? Well, no, now it's gonna be random, so you're not gonna necessarily get SpongeBob, so which could be good, you know. I think we should do this. Like unavailable, we just do handled, I think. I could probably do a test real quick. Because I have infinite channel points of my own. What are you wanting to say? Someone give me a message. I will demonstrate for free. free redeem. Who wants it? Okay. What is card mode by default? Selection. Okay. C++ rocks. Blueprint sucks. That's what you want? Fine.
Rocks Blueprint sucks.
Wait. Hold on. Why was it SpongeBob again? Wait. Wait, what was it SpongeBob again? Was it just really that? Like, that was the luck? What? No. Hold on. What? I got one test to do another test just to confirm. Oh, that was the subscription one. God damn it. Okay, where's the there's too many different versions. Rated, cheer. Oh, there's the channel point one. God damn it. Okay. Now I found it.
Blueprints are the very best, like no one ever was.
There you go. Now it works. Delusional. No, quite delusional. Quite delusional. Very delusional. I think this will work. A new function called set card mode. And when we are here, this one? No. Store selected card? No. I don't think I need store selected card. Yeah, I don't. I can kill this. Oh. Oh, this is a deck builder. Yeah, I don't think I need this. So here we do set card info. We override the class. Ah, here this is exposed. So what we can do is this card mode. We can also make this exposed, and now we can kill the deck builder. And here, refresh, we make it deck available. Okay. So let's see if things are still working. Yes, so that still works. That still works. Okay. Great. So now what we can do is when we drop the card, here on drop, we add it, but before we add it, we can do set card mode. Unavailable. So if I drag A, I cannot drag A again. The highlight works still, but I cannot drag it anymore. I can drag something else. I can drag B in, and now I can't drag B or drag A, but I can drag a different one. Very nice. So then I want to here for the card mode switch on this. So when we set it to be deck unavailable, I want to change something. How do I? Oh, you know what? I can do card outline. I take the card outline. Set brush tint color. And we'll make it like some dark gray. And when the deck becomes available again, I believe I have a reset outline. Okay. So now when we drag it over, it becomes unavailable. Oh, but okay. This default state. Here is hovered. If it's false, here it also needs to check hard mode. Let's see. If this is equal to deck unavailable, I guess not. Okay, so it is available. So now, if we drag A, it becomes gray. Ooh. Why does this still work? Mouse button up. Where's mouse enter? Mouse enter. Oh, mouse leave. Mouse leave. This only happens when selection. This though should only happen if it's not this. I don't know what an HD is, but my doctor says they have 80 of them. Hello, Hollow. Welcome in. You know what HD is? You're high definition. It's pretty good. Are you 1920 HD? 1440? Oh, that's QHD, right? Quad HD? Or is it UHD? ADHD? No. So you're talking about HD televisions. What are you talking about? ADHD. That's not a number. That's not a thing. Too many letters. Needs more numbers. Yeah, we're clearly this is HD. It's 720p. 720p HD? There we go. Oh. It almost worked. I don't think it's this that's triggering. Is it? No. So what? Where is it getting? I should do it here too. Why? You see, kids, this is what happens when you use a lot of blueprints. What happens? What happens? Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Set card hovered state. Oh, here. Where is this being used? No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. This is on... Oh. Here. Reset board set card default class. This. That's where it is. Found it. And you know why I found it? Because it's visual and I can see. Unlike programming and coding where I can't see. And look at that. Now, you see how all of a sudden I can't... This now has a gray outline? Just saying. Blueprint's clearly superior. Clearly. Okay. I need to take the image. Can I can't change tint. It says brush color tint. Make. Will this reset it if I just plug it in like this, or will it complain? I wonder. Eh, there we go. Eh. Wait, F blind people now? Are you ableist now? Wait, what did I say? Hold on. Wait. What did I say that made you say that? I'm not... I said something, I forgot what I said, I've moved on, and now I realize I said something. What did I say? Streamer brain is real. What are you referring to? I'm so terrible. I'm sorry. But you can see because the blue. Oh, that's what you're referring to. I mean, yeah, let's go with that. Sure, that's exactly what I meant then. Yes. When I said the blueprint is visual and I can see stuff, I definitely meant that, yeah, F blind people. That is clearly what I meant. Yep. Good thing you figured me out. I'm glad. See, we're on the same page. You know? Ableists are able to find each other. Confirmed, recorded. It is. Yeah. And only other ableists are able to find ableists, right? They have a sixth sense for this stuff. That's how Guts was able to find me. You're much worse than that. Well then. Both have autism. By both you mean me and you? I need to make the bottom section a little bit smaller. And you typed "we" right before both, didn't I? Who's Esau now? Oh, I mean, look. You expect me to read? God. So much work. You give me so much work. It's just, it's too much. It just... I need a little bit of a gap on top. How do we give it a padding on top? Padding, here it is. Top. You're at 3 out of 5 words. Hey, that's 60%. That's not failing. It's a D-, but that's not failing. And in my book, if you're not failing, you're succeeding. Ain't that right? That's right. You know what D means? We scored things we number here. Oh, D- means. You might see it. That is well below failing. Wait, what do you mean D- is below failing? Yeah, the American system goes like A, B, C, D, F. And there's like A plus, and there's plus and minus between this. So A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus. The only thing that doesn't have pluses is F. Once it's D-, it's F. You know? What do you mean you know? You just said you don't know. You lying bastard. You played me like a fiddle. Is that what you're saying? There you go. That's decent. Maybe like tiny bit higher, but no, this is actually good. F is for F and bland people? What did you say? It's fine they can't read chat? I mean, they can because I'm reading chat out loud. And so they know that Gagut said F is for F and blind people because I can say that out loud and then they can hear. It's a great communication. That way, I'm pro-blind, clearly. Shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry to, yeah. I didn't want to do this to you. But, I had to. Okay, so we need to now be able to remove the cards. So from here, we need a new function. That's going to be remove deck card. Remove item. Can I do self? Oh no, I can't do self. Then we can do this. Remove this card. And then generate deck cards. So here we can do remove. Oh no. Remove deck card. And here we can get card, selected card info. Okay. Good. You just watched my latest short. It's really good. You know why you didn't get the YouTube notification for it? Not sure, but is it actually? I spent quite a while on it. I even found like a video. I went and found I was trying to find videos for it, and I found a free website that has like a few like videos like to put at the start. There's someone playing like a game or something. I tried. I don't think it ended up being very good, but like, how's it doing actually? It is 62% average percentage viewed. Yeah, it's not great. Three thumbs down. A 78% like to dislike ratio. I don't know why. But, yeah. Is that not passing for YouTube? It's passing for YouTube if it's over 100%. Literally over 100%. That's what a YouTube wants for shorts. It wants over 100% watch time, which means people are watching it over and over. About to be 11.3 likes, dislikes? It is right now 11.3. That's what the 78 is. Yeah. You didn't know it could go over? Yeah, if you watched a short on loop, it'll go over 100%. Because if you watch it and then go a little bit and it loops again, and you start watching it again, it'll be over 100%. Yep.
Pausing for ads.
That's what it wants. So YouTube's bar is like 100% watch time. Just like my tutorials? My tutorials have like such god-awful watch time. My like, if I get over 3 minutes watch time, that's a success. That's how bad it is. Usually it's around 2.5, 3 minutes of watch time for a tutorial. I need to do... I wish my tutorials had like 60% watch time. Jeez, that would be so good. That'd be insane. I think 60% watch time is like Mr. Beast. Like that kind of stuff gets 60% watch time. What's my recent one? I'll tell you the number for my recent one. My recent video is 10.6% watch time. Mr. Beast probably averaged much more. No, I'm talking about long-term videos, not shorts. Have I tried putting a shock face and starting a Twitter drama? Seems to work for a few of them. I don't know. I just don't care enough. Like, I see all that drama. Most of the times, I just couldn't care less. They're like fighting about things like, why do you care? It doesn't affect you. Leave it alone. That's how I've been like all my life. Like, does it affect me? No? Okay, cool. Moving on. Like, it's simple as that. The next tutorial should be unveiling. That's a winner right there. It's good suggestions. Good suggestions. Because you spot a million baby oil bottles and flash Diddy on screen. No. I do that in Blender. Yeah, you could do that. I mean, I can spawn all that with PCG. I can. You just spawn actors and make them physics and then just drop them, right? Like, it's not hard to do with PCG. It's not any different than we do with the blueprint, but... You guys, I don't know what one bottle of that looks like. Let alone 100. I don't go Googling that. I need to. Find you. Google it, Canadian FBI will keep an eye on you? No. Sell it to micro. Oh, Jesus Christ. I am not getting views from that. No, I refuse. Nope. Ooh, how do I get... Oh, I guess I need to make... Yeah, let's promote this to variable. Oh, actually... Cards, shown. Or, guess. Here I need to get cards shown. Get this one, and then here I need to do a set card mode. Deck available. But I appreciate you guys, giving me suggestions, Don't get me wrong. I appreciate you guys giving me suggestions. They're not good suggestions. Ooh. I know why that happens. At least I know why that happens. It's because this tint color is on default, and default is pink for some reason. Not white. Foolproof ideas? I mean, there's been so many times where... Yeah, there you go. Check it out, guys. It works. Where you can... sorry. There's been so many times when channels talked about, like, stories and just whatever else, and then they made a drama video, and then the drama video does so much more than their other stuff that they become a drama channel. I've seen channels do that. It's just... That's... Unfortunately, people are very interested in watching drama. Unfortunately. So... Yep. Okay, so we have this working now. But there are a few things we need to change. Right, this is all good. You've seen gaming channels become React channels? I mean, there's so many of them. You know, so many of them. When a 4 million sub channel average 12K is kind of sad. And 12K isn't bad. It depends how often they post. If they post every day, 12K ain't bad. You know, if they post, you know, once a week for 12K, you know, that's unfortunate. But every day is pretty good. But, you know, that also, it was bad. Could be. That's not for me to decide. Okay. So here's some things we need to do. I think what I want to do is, first I need a way of limiting the amount of cards I can put in here. And I need somewhere where I can specify how many cards you can have, etc. in this deck, right? Because right now I can add as many as I want here. Also, the other problem is this doesn't save. Let's start with having it save. By having it save, I need to put this in the game mode instead of in the... Yes. I need this in the game mode. Now, like, on a more serious note, I do want to make non-tutorial content. I do. Like general game stuff, or maybe blueprint stuff. General blueprint stuff. Or like just fun stuff. I don't know. I want to do that stuff. I just can't think of anything. And it's a time thing. I don't want to stop tutorials for it. Right? So I think it's going to be like if we have a nice chat about something, then I might start putting those into videos, like small little videos, clips, and putting that up. But I don't want to stop tutorials. The whole reason I started the channel was to give back to the community, so I don't want to stop tutorials. So I want to do on top of that. But for that, I need to... I've gotten faster at editing by like a considerable amount. So maybe I could finally start having time to do like other stuff. Like more videos, potentially. We'll see. He's averaging 300k now with daily React videos, and he dropped 100% of the gaming content. I mean, there's so many channels like that. Not even React. There's like so many different channels. Like, I don't know if you guys know of a channel called Jack Sucks at Life. He's very big into YouTube play buttons. If you did any kind of information about YouTube play buttons, you probably come across him. He started out as a Minecraft channel. He hasn't done Minecraft in years. He doesn't do Reacts. He just does different content now. It's just people grow out of it. In a way, I used to do gaming and Minecraft content myself on another channel. And then I had like a multi-year gap, and then I started this one because I actually wanted to do this. Right? So in a sense, like I also did gaming at this beginning. Could it be faster if you paid someone? Yeah, but for that I need money. Here, let me show you. Here. Remember, the big money makers are the long form videos. This is the amount of money I've made on my last video. Just so we're clear. I don't think I can afford an editor. Just so we're clear here. I don't think I can afford an editor. Just do an NPC stream on TikTok? No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, I need. Let's go to game mode. Yes, yes, yes. Ice cream's so good. Isn't it like yum yum? Ice cream so good, or is it? I remember there. I think there was something before ice cream so good, or that was just like that was a different emote that they just happened to say before it. I don't remember. When I saw that, I was like, "What is this?" Like, I am so out of touch if this is what people are watching. I don't understand. Like, to the life of me, like, power to them. Like, I'm not gonna tell people to stop watching it. Like, if they watch it, like, go nuts. You're not hurting anyone. Everyone's, there of their own accord. But the amount of money people were throwing at it was confusing to me. It wasn't like I was saying, no, they don't deserve the money. It was just like, I don't get it. Boomer moment. I don't get it. I guess. Organize this a little bit. Cards. Start doing a little bit of organization. Because, dear God, it needs it. They deserve the money unless they are blind. God damn it, good guns. If they cannot see blueprints, I mean, is there a reason for anything else? The greatest invention ever, blueprints. Okay, so this should all still function the same way as it did before. Ooh. Okay. Oh, is game mode ref not... Where am I set? Oh, I'm only getting it. Oh. Oops. Gets game mode. Cast 2. Right, I didn't need it at a certain point. The greatest invention ever is cornea transplant. You don't see it working. Get it? Don't. I need a soundboard. I hope you're happy with yourself. Hope you're happy with yourself. Why a soundboard? So you don't fuck with dead people too? Why a soundboard hasn't... You're right. I'm just so against everyone. It's just... I'm the worst. Just the absolute worst. Okay. Here's no. Here. Oh, I'm stupid. This way. Here's a question for you guys. I'm assuming that if you create a deck of certain kind, you wanted to maintain this deck between runs. You don't want to make the deck for every run, right? You make the deck, and that's the deck. So we're gonna need to save the this deck every time. Now there is one other thing that I want to do actually, which is I want an on hover. I want a hover thing. Okay, let's start with a saving. Didn't expect that from a blueprint user. Yeah, we come out of left field and all sorts of things. It's the worst. Let's start with saving, and then I need a hover, because basically, now that these are collapsed, I need an on hover. Where I see the maybe I have the see the full version of the card. Left field, he hates right fielders. You want to be honest? I think to choose and improvise each run with a different deck with an initial proposition. Yes, but do you like? Let's say you have a 20-30 card deck and 100 cards. I wouldn't want to like populate that every single time. So I'd maybe want to change a few cards, but I wouldn't want to fill in the cards every single time. So 20 cards. 20-30 cards in a deck, and you have 100 cards to choose from, let's say. Right? I don't want to populate that many cards and go through this list every single time. Right. We're going to have one deck. It's not multiple decks right now. Maybe down the line we'll add another one, but we're starting with one. Okay, let's set up... Yes, the player would have the deck ready from the get-go. So when you set up your first deck... It is ready from the get-go if you die and you want to do another run. Basically. Okay, I need... Wait, am I only saving the meta progression? Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I'm saving. You don't need the high score anymore. Fine, I'll keep it for now. Have I played the Slay the Spire? I have. But you start with a base deck, and then you build the deck as you play. It's an entirely different system. This one, you build the deck right away, and then you just use the deck. In Slay the Spire, you build it as you play. So you never choose your cards at this beginning. It's just pick your character. They have a certain starting deck, if I recall. No, you can choose a few starting cards, but then most of your deck starts is the cards you get later, and it's not like you pick 20 cards. The starting deck is fun too. Yeah. We're just different system in this case. Set save variables. You have classes with fixed cards and then move forward with that? I could. I don't want to right now, but I could. You're right. I think for now, I'm not going to change up my entire system just yet again. Let's get this system working. I like the idea of the system. And then we go from there. I don't want to give cards in the middle of a run and have like a deck builder within the run. I like the idea of just you set up the run beforehand. And then during the run, the deck then gives you cards, right? Maybe I'll do like some power-ups or some items that put cards into your deck or remove cards from your deck later on. And we'll have some kind of deck modifying mechanic. But I don't want a deck building mechanic, basically. So maybe you'll find an item or something in the world that will like give you like a powerful boost, but also put like curse cards in. And if a curse card, and curse cards are just basically make it so, you effectively lose a slot choice. But also, if you get 3 of them in a row, then you have to take the curse kind of thing. So, or the negative, which could be fun. Okay, card deck we want to save. Then in the event graph, here's the save game. So I just want to get the variables now.
That's up here. Pausing for apps.
Oh. Since last time, I just checked on my short again. One more like, And one more dislike. The percentage went down. I wish I knew why people were disliking. I wish I knew what specifically about it people don't like. Is it people that are subbed, that are seeing a short, that's why they don't like it? Is it people that are like new to the channel finding it and just they don't care about games and it just being, you know, shown to wrong? Like, there's so many questions that I get, I have zero answers for, that I don't know. Like, I mean, I just need to make more and see and go from there. But it's interesting. So little information. Hey, James, welcome in. No politics. I believe that's in the rules when you join the chat. Should be. Maybe because one of the games you chose to show is not something easy to do. Oh, like the very first one, just playing handheld? Yeah, that was just, why no policy? Because that's just the rule of the channel. Just simple as that. Why don't people kill each other in the streets? Because it's the law. What's the rules here? Simple as that. Okay. We want to save variable, or sorry, get variables. So we want a little return. We want to get the meta progression, and we want to get the deck cards. There we go. And now here we can get variables. Why am I not setting them? Oh, the meta progression. I'm not. Okay, I see. I'll time you out, and you can think about it for 10 minutes. And if you decide to be part of the community, you can come back. So we store deck cards, or card deck. There we go. So this should theoretically. Oh, this doesn't save it. You're wondering if you should? If people are being like pushy about it, timeout. I did just 10-minute timeout. If they come back, that's a different story. And with the same thing, then obviously it'd be like a repeat offender. But if people are clearly like pushing the rules, the thing that I hate almost worse than people that just break rules are people that intentionally skirt the line. If people skirt the line, I just no. Like intentionally skirt the line. I'm like, no. Skirting the line is over the line for me. That wasn't skirting the line, by the way. That was over the line. in case I wasn't clear on that one. Okay. So when we I need a new function for save deck. For that, we're gonna do grab you. Set deck cards. and then save game. So this will save it every time you update the deck, theoretically. So if I put armor in here, and then close out of here, and I open it again, we have it. And I can put all these in. Oh, but this is reset. Ooh, okay. So we also need to save this, right? Okay. We also need to save that. Or I don't. And I just do it afterwards. So what I can do is when I do generate available here, I set card info, so do all this. But then here, right, we have the card info. We get game mode reference. Get deck. Get the deck, and see if we find this. Yeah, you have more things to do. You feel lightheaded. Yeah, go relax. It's light. Get some sleep. You're gonna pray for a CO2 leak. Jesus Christ. Go to bed. Have a good night. Index is turns on is found -1 if not found. If this is equal to -1. So if it's not found, then we continue on as we were. If we do find the card, right? Then we need to let's speed this up here. Then we need to set selected. Set card mode to deck unavailable. Okay, so now if I add this in, it's still gone. I can't do anything with it. We put it back. Ooh, why did that disappear just now? I put it back. I press. If I bring it back and I press 1, if I press the button to open it, okay, I see. Why? So I'm pressing the button to open and close it, but if I dragged it over and then I press the button, it reopens it or tries to reopen it for some reason. Why? On key down. It didn't print, and now it printed. So it's not reading. So after I do the drop, it doesn't read the mouse. Or the keyboard. Or the mouse, probably. That works. That does not. But why? But why? On key down does not trigger. Does it trigger on any of this? Press the button? No, it didn't trigger at all. Okay. Does that mean I can do a different one? No. Escape? Oh, escape just cancels it. It's fine until I drag it back. That's the only time it fails. It's when I drag it back. I can detect if drag is pressed, but I don't need detect drag is pressed. No. Input detected after on drop. That's really vague though. That's gonna be very vague. That's gonna be hard to find. Mouse enter and leave are suspended during drag. You should use drag over leave event. No, I don't need drag over or leave. What is my character? Why is my character? Hold on. On key down. It removes from widget. So that's all fine. If I go to my character right now. Before I do add the viewport, is visible? If it's not added to viewport, let's try that real quick. So now pressing it doesn't do anything. Okay. This doesn't fix the issue. This just makes it so this doesn't fix the issue. Why does the mouse stop being detected on drop? Not the mouse. So what I might need to do is on drop. Can I do? Is there like a set focus? Self. Is this what I want? Is this the focus of the switcher for the owning user? Aha! There we go. I press it once and it works. Okay. So the trick to it is, I guess, when we drag it back up and let go, it is still not focusing on what was dropped onto it. It was focusing on the other thing still. And I need to refocus onto the main graph. So this set focus fixes that. Excellent. So now we have it properly working. So the next thing to do is we are not saving when we drag it back, right? So right now, if I add something here and I close and reopen it, we have it. But if I drag it out here and close and reopen it, that works. Why doesn't it save between... Why isn't the saving, though? It should be here. Okay, so it's not quite saving and loading. Let's see if it is and just overwriting it, maybe. So we have 0. Okay. You have 3 in here now. Close it. Play again. 0. Okay. Is it saving it properly? Saved variables. Oh, it didn't save variables. It's not doing save. Oh, did I not tell it to do? I think I actually didn't tell it to do save variables. So what we want to do is deck builder, remove card, all that good stuff, and then save deck. Is on drop for the deck builder, and then wait for the deck. We want to do the same thing. So actually, I'll do copy here. On drop. So now, if we drag this in, we still have it, and if I click escape and go back, I still have it and still gone. Yay! Okay. So that is working. Okay. So we are now able to have a deck of whatever we want. Close the game down, come back later, be like, hey, I want to continue. The deck is still there. Great. Next step, we need to specify how many cards we can have in the deck. And I'm thinking of putting like down here maybe a little like a UI thing here that just says like blank out of blank, and it'll just update the number. That could be good. That could be good. Or do I want it on the right side? Left, right side? It scrolls right, so I feel like putting it on the left side's better. But I think that part doesn't matter. Do I want it to be like a little vertical thing? Or the deck? I feel like that's where we put it. I think we put it here. Okay, so in that case, let's make that. So we'll make a new what's your blueprint? So this is going to be the deck slot info. Or deck slot, yeah, info. So let's add an image. Let's actually add first a canvas. Then let's add an image. This is going to be such a desired. What is the size of this? It's 1080 minus 800. So it's 280. If math is right. So I'll make this like pretty dark, or make it a little like tinted. Orange never looks good. Darker colors, because it just makes brown. So we need a few things. We're gonna need number out of number, right? So we need a text. Let's say 999. Give me center text. Anchor it. Top center. 0 here. 0.5 here. Size. Doesn't matter. Like 90 is fine. So we need this. So this is going to be our current deck size. I'm going to duplicate it. Nice slash. It's not formatted the best in this way, but we'll see. We'll see. This does not need to be slash. And this is current deck, instead of current deck size. Actually, this will be deck size max. And this will be deck size current. Renaming it that way so that we have deck size in the beginning, so it'll be easier to find. So we'll just have this. Is there something else I'd want to do here? Or put here or something? You can maybe just put a little image for now. I have a little card icon, I believe. Yeah. Oh. That back. Can we make it 100 by 100? Make it 80 by 80. Anchor. Top middle. 0.5. Change the tint to be like. Sorry, I didn't mean to darken it. I meant to transparency it. And maybe we just move all this down. Like a bit. Okay, let's try that. So here, in the deck builder, wrap with horizontal box. And then we want to grab the deck slot info. There we go. Did I get the size wrong? I totally got the size wrong. Why do you get how to get the size wrong? Oh, is it because this has 7 padding? Because I wrapped it with this, it got the 7 padding. I want the padding here. There we go. There we go. Okay. I mean, this isn't the prettiest thing, but like it's there. It works. So next up, we need to actually set this up. Right. So not here. Here. So let's make a new function called set current deck size. And set max deck size. In set current deck size, we're going to get the size current. Get text to string to integer. And then we need to take that and add it. Or add whatever the I guess it's not set, it's modify is what I'm doing. modify amount. And then once we have this, then we can set text.
Pausing for ads.
Okay. So this is the modify one. We also need to still do the set one. Because on load, we need to set the amount of cards. Because effectively, so we're gonna, when we load the deck, we want to set the amount of cards we have and have those populate. And then when we drag and add and remove cards, we want to modify it. Right? So maybe instead of set max deck size, I'm gonna have initialize deck size. Or initialize deck kind of thing. That's probably what we'll do. Because there's no reason, I don't think there's ever a reason for me to set the max later on. It's not like I'm going to give more or less max slots in the middle of something. So it's just when it's initialized or it's opened, the max will be the max. You'll never modify it during something. So it should be fine. Also, this is silly. The fact that we have to do this to get a number is silly. Because you can't do text to int. Text to upper, lower, text to string is the best you got, and then from string you can do whatever you want. I don't know why. But okay. So then we can do initialize deck size. Set text. So we need to input here. This is current deck size int and max deck size. So max deck size will go to deck size max. And current go to current. Oops. Set text. Why is this text different? Why does this look different? Set text. There you go. Not sure why that was. This is the correct one. Okay. So here on event graph on construct, it does all this. This is all good. Then we need to get the deck and What's it called? Get. Wait. Not you. Deck slot info needs to be a variable. Yeah, delete deck slot info. And then we can do initialize deck size. So from here we can go and let's just a max deck size and the current deck size. Max deck size I should have in the game mode. Max deck size. Integer. Put it under the card section. Let's set it to be 5 by default. Get max deck size. And then we need to current deck size, so we can do get card deck. And then get the length of it. Look at that. So now, 5 out of 5. If I add another one, still 5 out of 5 because we're not updating this number yet. But why did that do that again? I thought we fixed this. Now it's fine. Oh, it's because when I click in here, it does that. I believe I need to make it so that's not focusable. No. Still. Nothing here is focusable. I need to turn it off here. There we go. Now it updates, and right, I can do more. Okay, so now we need to have this update every time. Okay. So to have it update every time, when we do on drop, I need this on drop. I need to modify current deck size -1. And then when I do a here on drop, then I need to doesn't have a reference to that. Because it's itself. Oh, +1. Okay, so let's see. So we have 6 out of 5. Remove 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is not working. So now we need to make it so you cannot drag more than 5 of them here, more than the max, right? So what we can do is on the deck one. Before we do this on drop, we get the game mode reference. We can pretty much do what we were doing on... Oops. Where's he doing it? Here? Here. All right, we basically need this. So if the length is greater or equal to this, and we want to do a not Boolean. So don't do anything if we've got to the max. So now if I drag in, nothing happens. I can still remove and re-add, but I cannot add more. There we go. So now we have a reading how many we have. I think we can add a certain amount, right? We have these, decrease, berserk, melee. We can open and close it. We still have the same amount. We can even quit the game, come back to the game, and we still have the same amount. And the same cards. And they're still all like nicely highlighted here. And if I want to, I can swap it out and quit the game. And it's still all updates. Yes! It's working! It's a working. So good. This is stage 1. Okay. Stage 2 is we need to make it so... Okay. I need to have it so only these cards populate when I have a card selection option. It grabs it from these. Right, so when we get a card unlocked and we get the 3 choices, it has to be one of those. So we do that on this screen. Here. It's probably an event graph that we do this. Card selection, bind, new, construct. This is all fine. Oh, here, get available ability. So here's what we need to change. There's available abilities. Where am I setting it? Here. So we're going through get tailored rows, right? This is like getting all the cards, and we don't want to get all the cards. So this should be simple. After this, we want to do this later, first of all. We want to do the save game, and actually we can do it off of save game. We don't need to do anything else. We can just remove this. So when we do the save game and we load the card deck, Oh, we're gonna have different because we're gonna have selected. Is this being stored? I'll deal with that later. But where is? Gotta clean this up. Gotta clean this up. So we store availabilities just like that. Okay, I'll mark this red for deletion, but just for now, I'll keep it just in case I need it. So theoretically, so we will remove it. The interesting thing is, I don't save this later on. Was I able to get the same cards between floors? I might have been able to get the same cards between floors before. Let's fix that. Oh, I have the collected cards. Hold on. Maybe I wasn't so stupid. This whole card spawning thing, I don't need anymore. Randomized size dungeon, build dungeon, yeah, that's all fine. Game instance. Collected cards goes to card collection. Okay. So we're setting it, we're getting it, get collected cards. Add to collected cards. This is all fine. Save game. We save the collected cards. Yeah, because collected cards is different than available cards. Okay. Yes. So we need to do a available cards. Okay. We need to get the available cards. Okay. So now here, when we do a save game, we want to push the instead of available abilities, it's now available cards. We changed that a while back. So we're pushing through the available cards. Okay. Then here we want to load the available cards. I already see a problem with what I'm doing, but we'll see in a second if it's fine. All this is fine. Okay. So the problem is, right, we're setting it based off of my save game here. But I want to do this the first time. So we don't want to do this if it's dungeon level 0. Get dungeon level. If this is equal to 0. So basically before we get into the game. Just populate it with everything being available. And afterwards, it should not be off of what's available. So now, inside of this guy, when I get available ability, yeah, it goes off available cards. As long as it's not empty, we get a random one. Okay. I think this should work. One way to test, and let's make it so the amount of blood I need to spill is much lower, so we can test this a lot easier. Okay. So just a ooh. Okay, we broke stuff. Hold on. We broke stuff. Yeah, we very much broke stuff. Deck builder. Generate available cards. Oh, we're going off available cards. No, we don't want to go off available cards here. Here we want to go off of the card collection. Get card collection. It's because the card collection was this. So I still need this. Just in a different way. Okay, so we can do this at the bottom here. God, I wish there was reroutes. Okay, there we go. Okay. So this is working. Ooh, wait. Actually, I'm trying to read set card mode. What happened here? Oh, I need to check that it's available. Is not equal to -1, so it found something. And we need to do that before this as well. Otherwise, yeah, it has issues. Let's check. Ooh. Why is it not finding it? What are we checking? Oh, we're checking available cards. That was the problem. So I need to change this to move all this back. Here just needs to be get card collection. Because we're populating this with the card collection, so we need to find it in the card collection. There we go. So now, right, we can't do anything. Okay. Good. So now, if we go to the hub and play, this is still 5 out of 5, has all my populated stuff. And if we go and play, it's going to be very quick to get a new card or a card choice. Ooh, health up. This is wrong. Oh, this is also wrong. Yeah. I can't use card collection on that. Oopsie. So card collection, I need like unlocked cards. There we go. Unlocked cards. And then here I need to, can I replace this? No. Get unlock cards. Get unlock cards. This still all works, right? Yep, good. I don't have anything unlocked already, which is good. This is not right though still. Okay, what's going on? Get available cards. So we do this on the very beginning. When I'm doing say load next level, hold on. We increment that. Reset manual cooldown. Save game. So this save game should print me let's do like 10 seconds. Tell me how many cards are here. It should be 5 cards. Because we have 5 here. 0. Okay, hold on. Why is it 0? What stupid thing did I do? Oh, it's because it does this and then immediately overwrites it from here with this. So I need to do if this is not equal to 0. Then we do this and continue, otherwise we just continue. Because basically we're just overwriting our own thing in a way. Now it says 5. There we go. Okay. So now There we go.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh, okay, I'll wait. So now we have decreased spread, armor, and melee. We have nothing in our collection. Like, all our stuff is all good. So what should happen after the ads is we select this. We get it one more time. Remember, we have 5 cards total we have in our deck. That means the next one should be 2 cards. And then and then the third one should be HP. And then the next time this comes up, it should be 3 HP. Because once you run out of cards in your deck, it's always HP ups. That's excellent. And whichever one we add, of course, should appear in the collection. I need to rewrite some of this stuff, but I love how this looks now. Well, I don't know about love, but I like it a lot more how it looks now. Compared to like what it was before. Even having them just be a little more narrow instead of so tall, I think has helped tremendously. Okay, so let's go with reduce incoming melee damage by 25%. Ooh, okay, so when I selected it, it didn't go away. So that's broken now. Okay, so here, add collected card. That is fine. And then exit out. Is this working? Store card. I don't need this print string anymore. So something we broke when we were reconfiguring this. Let's find out what. So if I click and hold, it doesn't print it. Okay. So it's not firing store selected card. So I construct Yellow Children. Because of the card, bind event on button selected. Oh, is this oh, this is not triggering anymore, probably. Because we changed up, it's no longer a button setup. So here, mouse button down. Yep. And the event graph, button held down and is hovered. It does all the time stuff. So let's do a print string holding, and then a print string selected. Make this one green. Okay, and there you go. So holding is there, and selected tap. So selected just triggered, okay? So I can do it again, and selected triggered. So selected triggers. Okay. So we know this is working. So here, is this triggering? It's bound to that. So it should, but... No, it's not. It's not triggering. Card selection horizontal box. Oh, it's because it gets the scale boxes now. I think I understand. So I used to do this. I would got all the children. But now I put those children inside of another child. So it's no longer the correct thing. So I think what I need to do is for each children, then I need to also get all children or get child. That's not what I want. I guess I can do it for each one. I mean, that's fine. I can do it manually. Let's go with card left, card middle, card right. I can do a little just make array. I'll just do it this way. Plug that in. And then the rest should be just the same. Okay. Okay, so now reduce incoming damage. There we go. And if I look, there's our thing. And we check how much damage he does. He did 5 points of damage. 5 points of damage again? That does not seem to have reduced the damage. I'm pretty sure he does 5 normally. There we go, but we have now Airblade and health up. The last one's being health up, so we can get like Airblade. Alright, we can do this. But if I kill a few more of these guys, get some more. Now I only get health ups. And health ups are all working, except the reduced melee damage though didn't seem like it worked properly. Oh, and there's the portal. Oh, I need to remove the mini map. But that all worked. So we only got access to the cards in our deck. So if I wanted to now, I can remove them. And add different cards. Like... And then this time around... Ooh, hold on. That seems like the same cards. Ooh, hold on. Why was that the same cards? When I do it, and then I do save deck, I update this. What I also need to update is the game instance. No, I don't. I don't need to update the game instance, do I? Yes. I believe so. Set available cards. Ba, 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 ba. Was that what I need to do? Hold on, let's find out. So, I'm going to remove all these. And then I'm going to give myself critical damage, orbiting orbs, piercing, spectral homing. Right, and just get different things. I still have them here. Temporary availability. Airblade stun chat. These are not the ones I got. That's not the same ones I got. Oh. Game instance ref is not set? Oh. I'm only doing it here. Why? Am I not doing it on the event graph? Wait. Game instance. Why am I not setting it here? I literally do a cast for it right here. Now get game instance reference. There you go. Okay. So hopefully that should now work. So again, if I come here and I'll just remove all this. And in fact, I'm just gonna remove everything. Easy test. If I get all HP, this worked. I did not get all HP. Doing a... Why am I only doing this here? Hold on. Why am I only doing setting of set game mode variables? Hold on. Ah, because it's right here. Yeah, I'm doing that earlier. Yeah, so I am doing that. I'm saving it. Print string the length of this. Okay, so if I modify this, I now put 1 in here. It's a 0. But if I load it in and go through, it'll now say 1. Okay, so something somewhere ain't working. But why? I'm setting it here. Available cards. Am I overwriting them somehow? So here we just have it populate whatever it is, but here on construction, if it is not 0, then we load the available cards. Okay. Arbamore! Welcome in. As always, you can't leave? No. It's almost time to leave. Put a breakpoint in the loading of cards. Yeah, I could. How's your stream? Or what are you doing? Welcome. Is this gonna be a thing now? Where you raid me right before I finish my stream? Got your katana chops looking good? Nice. Nice. Yeah, we've been working on a deck builder, and now we have a little deck builder where you can add in however many cards. We've specified we can't add any more. And yeah, we can swap this out for whatever cards we want, and it maintains the cards, but for some reason, it's not selecting the right cards when we go through. If you're on when I leave, you're... It should be a thing. It's funny. I mean, it is pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, also, you know what's not funny? This. That means I can't even see my YouTube chat now. For those that can't see it. Yeah, so this means it's time to end the stream. You're literally rated at the end. I'll try to figure out maybe why my card selection ain't selecting it, but basically now the way it works is when I get cards, it's supposed to choose from the deck that I've specified, so from those 5 cards. But it still has the old cards remembered here, not the new ones. So yeah. Oh, is it because? No, it's this should have. You know, I don't know. I'll figure out later. For now, though, I guess I'll go raid someone. We gotta pass it along. You can't be raiding me. This could be work. I hear someone doing some Blender and Unreal 5. I found someone. That's who you were originally gonna raid? Then why didn't you raid that one? Okay, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're rating Jedum_NZ. If you guys on YouTube want to join me, join the raid. Let me see if I can open the YouTube chat. Last moment. Where are you guys? There you are. Good night, Mr. Presgetti. And here's the link if you guys want to join the raid with the Twitch folks. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific for some more fun and games. And hopefully some more deck building stuff. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Raid.